Start. In a massive development in court, Arnav Goswami has gone all out in Bombay High Court against the Maharashtra government. Crucial evidence, fresh details, and documents that undeniably establish the premeditated, prejudged, and predetermined nature of action by the Maharashtra government, specifically on the part of Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, have been submitted to the court ahead of the December 10, 2020 hearing in the Anvay Naik case. These comes after Deshmukh disregarded the Supreme Court's observations in the Anvay Naik case. The entire exercise is maliced by the Maharashtra government right from May 2020 to November 2020 has been documented by Arnav Goswami via his legal counsel. The facts, as submitted, prove that not only the directive for re-investigation of a case which was closed by a court of law, but also the eventual direction of investigation has been scripted by the executive, the Maharashtra government, in what will be a hammer blow to the Maharashtra government and the police officers in its feast. Arnav Goswami has placed on record before the High Court not one but two scathing interim applications that prove in black and white that the Home Minister Anil Deshmukh is acting in contravention of law and abusing his office to fix and frame an individual and a news network. While the first application is to amend the writ petition by stating that new facts have emerged since the original filing, the second interim application is regarding the brazen statements made by Home Minister Anil Deshmukh regarding a charge sheet in defiance of all due process and in contravention of the top court observations on the matter. Elaborate evidence of the same has been included in the applications. In the first application, Phonex Legal, which represents Arnav Goswami, has spoken of how on May 26, 2020, the Home Department was intervening and sending letters to reinvestigate the suicide case that was closed by a court of law following a closure report by the police. The second application is an interim application, speaks of a fresh cause of action given that the Home Minister of Maharashtra on November 2020 made a public statement about a strong charge sheet in the abatement to suicide case despite scathing observations by the Supreme Court. With new facts, with documented evidence and two razor sharp interim applications before the Bombay High Court, the Maharashtra government's campaign of vendetta will undoubtedly become a matter of scrutiny by the High Court. The strong evidence of deep malice, vendetta, and vengeful action by the Maharashtra government is now before the court. In light of new facts, Arnav Goswami's applications have sought additional prayers stay the filing of charge sheet in connection with the FIR, quash the re-investigation and put a halt to all the coercive action in the case. These will all be heard by the Bombay High Court on December 10, 2020. By submitting new documents and the evidence of how the state machinery is acting in contravention of law and due process, the applications put the Maharashtra state machinery in a corner before the court of law.